Okay, so today, since I don't have lots of space on my camera, we're going to be taking apart an iPhone 4, which we already have almost completely done. We've taken apart an iPod 4 and an iPod 5, so all the junk is in there.
We're also taking apart a fan.
Which is right here. So today, found the battery.
This is the product. This is the stuff we use to take apart. This is what we found
sure
on the iPod.
Yeah. Okay. So let's pry this off.
I also broke most of the circuit board.
That's the lithium-ion battery, the thing that powers it. And we almost caught one on fire yesterday, so you know. Lifesaving. Why does this have this?
Look in the mirror.
It has a little tag on it.
Look in the mirror.
No.
I look at you.
Yeah, it's very cool. I need this thing. So I'm gonna try and unscrew this.
So you see this screwdriver? Michael broke this one.
Yeah, I broke it.
But we did use the other half.
Where's that other one that we were using yesterday? Here. I think this one. No, I don't think it was this one. Yeah. Okay, so.
And then we used the other half to open the SIM card of that one so we could start prying it open.
Yeah, that's how we actually started to get in by destroying. Look at how.
And then I got this partly open, but we wanted to wait till the video starts to do the rest.
That right there, folks, is a screw. It's so tiny.
Yeah, they're microscopic.
It's amazing. No, they're almost see that little gray thing? That's a screw. It's not the. Here, let me try. That gray thing is a screw. It's crazy. Oh wow, she got the lithium-ion battery out. See, we have this bucket. Watch out, Roman. We have this bucket, and it has all the lithium-ion batteries in it. This one's smaller compared to this is the iPod 5 one that we accidentally were trying to get in, and this is the iPod 4. I mean, iPod 4. But it still has the, protector thing around it. Well, that's nice to know. Got that out. Strip it for parts, folks. Just try and screw this rest of the stuff. Okay. So I'm thinking on making, since I didn't get to do an introduction yet, we're probably gonna have to make this a short video because I don't have lots of storage. But we're probably gonna be starting a little series of us destroying different things.
We also have a lawnmower engine that we
are going to destroy.
Okay. We actually have this hammer for no reason.
I don't know why we have this hammer.
That hammer for getting out minerals and sand rock stuff, right?
Ooh.
And focus.
Remember that?
Yeah. Yep, you can go.
Can't really see it.
Something else.
But there's a lot of chip there. Yeah, that's Roman's dad talking. He's an engineer, so
and he's the one that's giving us permission to do all this.
Yeah. It's the third well, this is a phone, but destroyed 3 Apple products. Pretty cool.
Here we go.
Okay. The only problem is there's a bunch of little screws on the side. You really...
Can I destroy that other one?
Too late. Or not. Try and find the motor in it. That's what your dad said.
Motor.
Yeah, but I'm trying to take this tiny piece off, but it can't get in there because the screw is right here. The screw is right here, and it's hard to do at an angle.
You want me to do it?
Sure, you try it.
Okay.
Yeah,
We're
before...
gonna need a bigger screw. Try this one.
This video might have to end soon because I'm running out of storage.
Do
right
2
now.
videos and then just post
Yeah.
that one.
This
and
will
then
be
do
part
2 and
this
delete
is
that
part,
video.
Yeah.
I know,
This is
this is
part
part 1.
Yeah, but whereas you run out of storage, delete post that video, then delete it, and then go back on and then start a new video, and I could keep doing that over and over again.
Okay.
Sarah,
This
it's
will be
not that
part
slow.
1,
It's not-
and
don't
if I
talk.
run out of storage, this is just gonna be like a series on the
Oh
channel.
my gosh, I'm mine.
Dope. So we'll just make this a series. This is part 1 of it, which is destroying Apple products in a
I
fan.
think you got. That's exactly what.
So I guess
And that's wrong, girl.
we'll be posting a couple videos today. So until then, bye.